Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. We're gonna start doing the brakes on the Caprice, and we've been having some issues with like it wobbling once you hit the brakes. So we're gonna pull these off, get the rotors turned, and we're gonna put new brake pads. We're gonna start off by removing these two bolts. There's one up here, one down here, and also these two, because this bracket has to come off in order for the rotor to slide off. These two bolts are 14 millimeters. So now that I have both bolts off, we're able to slide the caliper off, set it to the side, and remove the brake pads. Okay, now one rotor is off. What we ended up doing is using a wrench and a big piece of pipe to break these two bolts loose because they were really tight. So I'm gonna put these back where they came from, and I'm gonna go to the other side and start taking the other side apart. We got both rotors off, and we could tell that they have hot spots. Even this one, we could see a couple of the spots. So we're gonna take them to the machine shop right now, get them turned. Just left AutoZone and we picked up some Duralast Max brake pads. Now we're heading back to pick up the rotors. Actually, we're gonna pull these out and grease them up. We're gonna use this lubricating compound to lubricate these pins that hold the brake caliper. Now we're using one of the old brake pads just to press in the piston, so it gives us enough clearance to slide it over the new brake pads. I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner on the rotor to get all the dirt off of it. Now we're gonna throw on the wheel and tighten the lug nuts, and we're gonna do the same thing on the driver's side. We're not gonna show the process because it's the same as the passenger side, so we just want to get it over with and finish it up real quick. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at YONKE_OXC films, and we'll catch you in the next one.